my dear students. Welcome back to CSIR Crash Course 2021 June, which is the most important topic in biochemistry. Yeah, enzymes. So today we're going to discuss how and what to study and how many marks this section carries. There will be two sure questions from part B and two questions from part C. Sometimes three questions from part C. So a total of 12 mark. If you study properly, you can score 12 mark on enzymes. And there are four type of questions. Four types of possible questions. Which are the statements, problems, match the following, and plots. Statements you might know. For example, which one of the above combinations are correct? Or which one of the above combinations are not correct? So you have to take care. Why? Whether the question is asking about correct combinations or incorrect combination. For example, allosteric enzymes do not obey Michaelis-Menten kinetics. Is it correct or not? Yes, this one is correct. And this is always repeating this question. Okay? And another example is the free energy change provide information about the spontaneity but not the rate of reaction. Is it correct? Yeah, this statement also correct. Likewise, there are so many statements. Study all those things. You can refer Stryer, Biochemistry Stryer, page number 215. And also study from Leninger, page number 191. And this is based on the soft copies we provided in our Telegram group. If you haven't downloaded yet, please join the group and download and study. And second type of questions are problems. What you have to study? You have to study all the equations in enzyme kinetics. How to calculate Km, substrate concentration, Vmax, ratios, initial velocity, etc. You have to study. Then comes match the following. Here you can study. You know that many enzymes require coenzymes. And study the associated coenzymes. For example, which is the coenzyme of pyruvate dehydrogenase? Yeah, thiamine pyrophosphate. And for lactose dehydrogenase, coenzyme is NAD. For thymidylate synthase, coenzyme is tetrahydrofolate. Likewise, you have to study all the coenzymes and metals associated with enzymes. Then you can study examples of enzymes. Then you can study different classes of enzymes. For example, oxidoreductase, transferase, etc. and the type of reactions. That means the oxidoreductase, which type of reaction? Yeah, transfer of electrons. And for transferase, group transfer reactions. Then fourth type of questions, plots. What you have to study here? Yeah, Line-Weaver-Burke plot. That is the most important one. And just study what is the slope. What is the slope here? Km by Vmax. And Line-Weaver-Burke plot, it is a plot of 1 by V0 versus 1 by substrate concentration. And you can also study the Line-Weaver-Burke plot showing effect of competitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition and uncompetitive inhibition. Then you can study other plots. Haynes-Wolff plot, Adie-Hofstee plot, Dixon plot, etc. Don't worry, we can discuss on next class. Study like this. You need only 1 or 2 days to study all about enzymes if you follow these methods. Next day, we can discuss all the statements related to enzymes. So start study from today, okay? And study systematically. Make notes. Refer the textbook, Stryer and Leninger. And you can also Refer void and void. And all the best for your CSIR net exam journey. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you.